Hello everyone, my name is Astha Varshney and I am a corporate trainer in the CSDC department of GNIOT College. Welcome to our YouTube channel CSDC Connect. As you can see on the screen that our today's topic is Fun While Learning, Enhancing Team Building Spirit, PSM7. Today we are going to talk about what actually team is, how to build up, how to work, and how team building is very important in our life. So, team, what does team means? T-E-A-M. T-E-A-M means T for together, E for everyone, A for achieves, M for more. Isn't it right? Together, everyone achieves more. T-E-A-M. Definitely it's true. Okay. So, what is the definition of team? What is team actually? From the very childhood, we must have been into teams. It is a very professional word, but from the very childhood, till today, we are working in team. A group of individuals dependent on each other. Okay, yes, it's true that people are working together. They are dependent on each other for the completion of a goal. Second is focus to achieve a common goal. When different people are working together, their main focus is to achieve a particular common goal decided, because of which a team is being built. And the last thing is coordination is the essence. Whenever we talk about a team, it means that their people, the individuals are working together in a very coordinated manner. It might be possible that they have their individual common goal, individual goals, but the main focus is to achieve the final common goal. Okay, so now here are the key factors to successful performance of a team. We can easily, for easy remembrance, we have named it as SCORE. S for strategy, C for clear roles and responsibility, O for open communication, R for rapid response, and E for effective leadership. What is strategy? Strategy means we are making plans, we are going to make plans and formulate them to achieve a common goal. Clear roles and responsibility. Okay, so let me give you an example. Whenever in the childhood, when we used to go to a picnic and we have a group of 5 friends, then we used to say, okay, you will bring Lays, I will bring the fruity, you will bring sandwiches. So that's how, when we are talking about a professional team building, similarly we do a proper distribution, allocation of roles and responsibility. Which person is going to perform what task? It should be clearly mentioned. Open communication. Open communication refers to that each individual should communicate properly whatever problems are being resolved and what problems are actually being faced by that particular individual. So open communication is also necessary. Rapid response. Whenever we are working in a team, so we have learned in the last slide that we are working towards a common goal. So our work is also dependent on each other. So that's why if someone is saying, asking for some response or an information, it is a responsibility of that particular person to give response immediately, so the work is not getting hampered. And the last is effective leadership. Whosoever is the group leader should be responsible for the proper communication and smooth functioning of that particular team. So that is the effective leadership. If a team is working very smoothly, so it shows that the leader of that particular group or team is very good, because he is able to get everyone do their work properly. Importance of team building. Okay, so we have learned about what is team, how to strategize that by SCORE. Now, what is the importance of team building? Team building is a quality that shows leadership. So the first point is increase trust and respect. Whenever two people or a group of people work together, they build trust for each other, and if they are working in a collaborative manner, so the respect will also increase. Improved morale and job satisfaction. Whenever we are working together, it means that whenever you are assigned a responsibility, it means that particularly you are a right person to do that particular job. So whenever a responsibility is assigned, it means that it is boosting your morale, that yes, you are the chosen one for that particular job role. Sorry. Enhanced problem solving and creativity. What does this mean? It means that whenever we are assigned with a task and we have to achieve a common goal, we are going to face a lot many problems. It may be from the technical issues, to the communication errors, to the data problems. Variety of problems will arise. Okay, so when we are working in team, definitely our problem solving skills will develop and get polished, and that will ultimately lead to creativity, because we will use our brain to come up with a solution for a given problem. Enhanced communication and collaboration. Definitely when we are working in a team, we have to make sure that our work is aligned with people who are working with us. So we have to communicate, and collaboratively we have to work, means we have to work together. So that's why when we are working in a team, so trust is increased, respect is increased, our morale get boosted, we get a job satisfaction. At the same time, we get our creativity increased, our problem solving skills also get increased, communication also increase, and at last we also work in a collaborative manner. So now here is the activity time. Sell the product. What do you have to do? You must have seen the episodes of Shark Tank. This activity is also quite similar to it. What you have to do is, you have to build a team of 3 to 5 people, make an imaginary product, assign job roles and responsibilities to the product, to the team members, prepare a sales pitch and present. Now let me elaborate it more. Example, you have to create an imaginary product. I'm creating a product of like a helmet that contains an SOS facility. Whenever the helmet touches the ground, with an impact, it will send the notification to the emergency contacts. So I have chosen 5 people. One of my people will choose the finances, other will choose the marketing. I am working on the hiring of the relatable professionals. Other will look after the operations of the team. So like this, you have to choose 5 people whom you find is relevant and assign the job roles. And you have to create an imaginary product and pitch and make sure that I'm going to purchase it. What do you say about this activity? Just try it, definitely. Activity 2 is very much interesting. So what you have to do is, the second, as you can see on the screen, the second activity is dramatization. Oh my god, what it is actually? It is very simple activity. Just go back to your childhood, clear your memories, have some nostalgia, and you can see now what you have to do is, again you have to build, since we are doing the team building enhancement, so you have to make sure that every activity is about team building and working with the team. So you have to choose a group of people, means you have to create a team of 2 to 5 people. Choose a topic that you think that can actually make an impact. So it can be how Britishers overrule India and what were the impacts. COVID-19 or anything that you think you can do a role play. Choose a particular topic, assign the roles, work together. That will increase communication, collaboration. Assign the roles and perform in front of the class. Definitely. Try to work together, make a short film or something, and do send me. I will definitely give you the relevant feedback. That's all for today. Thank you.